What's your name?
My name is Lisa. Yeah, my name is Lisa Lian.
Lisa, you coming from where?
Philippines.
Come from Philippines?
Yes.
When did you start singing?
High school, since high school.
Since high school?
Yeah.
What was the story? What is the story about
The
this?
story is
Yeah. Like
I
when-
want to sing because my father is a singer. That's why I look up to him, and
So your father was a singer before?
yes, that's why he's my influencer.
And mentor.
Yeah, mentor.
So he was doing the music, then for you were learning from him,
Yes,
then you decided to take the actions,
yes, yes,
you
that's
keep the
right.
career, keep it as your career.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
Ah.
Maybe that's the first reason.
How long have you been singing?
10 years.
10 years
10
singing?
years. Yes.
You music writer? You are a music writer?
Sorry, brothers.
You're a music writer?
Creator.
You're writing music?
Yeah, yes.
You're a
Sorry.
composer?
Yeah, composer.
You are a guitarist?
Yes.
Can you try give me some of your kind of songs?
Yes, it would be one of my favorite songs.
One of
Now it's raining. And your legs don't work like this.
When you were in the Philippines, back home, what kept you going on and then until you came back? I mean, what inspired people to pursue the career? Many people have got careers, but on their way, they get off.
Yes.
So what keeps you going every day to your career?
Maybe the first reason is, yes, my father.
Your father?
Yeah, my father. I look up to him. He is my hero. And when he passed away,
So,
yeah, when he passed away, there's a lot of, reason I stopped. Because I'm in pain, and, but the main reason is him. Because this is the only thing that I can make him proud.
wow.
Yeah, that's why.
So, wherever you remember your father,
Yeah,
your dad, then you feel the emotions, you feel the power inside.
whenever I want to stop, whenever I feel like stopping, I always remember him. Like, he's telling me no, like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
if you somebody-
Maybe he's upset. Okay, I will do this. I will do this. I got to do this.
Ah, wow. So you're writer. You have some of your songs.
Yes.
Can you give me a copy of it?
This is my first time doing this.
Your own song?
This is my first time singing my own song.
Oh, on the interview.
Interview. I woke up in this morning, saw your beautiful smile. I was sure things gone, except you and me. 'Cause every time I see your face, I want the time stop in this place. All I wish is one day that I have you. I love you. These are the words that keep turning to my mind. That I wish I could stay to you. Please stay, please stay tonight.
That's one of your own compositions.
Yes, one.
Sure.
Yes.
It's beautiful also.
Thank you so much.
So, how long do you take to write something beautiful like that?
It's maybe when I feel like writing, I have motivation, I have reason to write. Maybe it took me 2 hours, 3 hours.
Can take only
Yeah.
2 to 3 hours
Yes.
to write something.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow.
When
So
I feel like motivated.
when you feel the motivation, then
Yeah, yeah.
then you can
Yes.
compose something.
Yeah.
Wow.
But the longest is 2 days. 3
So
days.
did you try to record some of your songs?
No, never.
Never?
Just
Why?
in my phone.
Just ride and keeping your phone?
Yeah.
I mean, what limits you from
Sorry.
what limits you from keeping phone?
Maybe the reason is I have no confidence. Maybe I'm not confident enough.
Why? No. Because you're singing well.
Yeah.
You're a guitarist, you know, you can compose your own things.
Mm.
Only needs courage, I think. Needs courage, you know, to take that step to record your own music, then you supply. Because it can only be like beneficial to you after you've received it
Yes.
with the listeners, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you try to perform in your country
Yes.
before traveling to Dubai?
Yes.
Many times?
That's what. Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
That's my job.
I mean, okay.
Yes.
So, what are some of the things you've gained from music since you began? You took it as your career since you're back home. What are some of the things you see that I got this from my career?
First is I got money.
You got money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I can buy not whatever I want, but you know, it can sustain me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean. I can go travel.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
because of it.
Mhm.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes, that's the biggest.
What about the connection? You know, I hear many people talking about the connections. Like you meet a lot of people,
Yes,
like people you've never met in life, you never expected to meet in life, like places you never dreamed of going to.
yeah,
I mean, your career you can take you, right?
yes, yes.
Then you are in
Can make me travel.
Sure.
Yes,
Then you are in Philippines.
yes.
That time you chose to come to Dubai. Why did you choose to come to Dubai?
The first reason is my sister.
Mm.
She invited me, just try it, and yeah, I just did, just like that. Okay, oh, I need to go there. I need to experience the life.
So what about the career back home? You know, I mean, you were performing somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So
Maybe I have to find another opportunity, big opportunity, because Dubai is a big,
yeah.
Dubai is Dubai,
Mhm.
and when I get the opportunity to go here,
Mm.
I just grab it because my sister is here. I just want to try.
You want to try something new.
Yeah, something, you know. I want to challenge myself if I can do it. If I can do it back home, maybe I can do it here, and I'm here now.
Yeah, because back home, according to the say, like 50% people they are singing, right?
Yes.
So
Every Filipinos are singing, you know. They love karaoke. Everyone is singing.
you're gonna sing.
Yes.
So if you can come out from the challenges, I mean the competition back home, then you can do it in Dubai.
Yes, maybe.
So in Dubai you are performing.
Yes, I am performing. Currently, I'm performing
You're performing in hotels.
Yeah.
You mean nightclubs?
nightclubs. Yeah, nightclubs.
Oh, that's what you're doing. So what's some of the challenges? I mean like that you can't forget all along your career. Some of the challenges that you face the problems like that you cannot forget in your career.
Maybe back home.
Back home.
Yeah,
What was that?
that was last 2 years ago, I think. 2 years ago. Sorry, I forgot the year. When I performing, I started singing because I'm so drunk.
That time you were drunk.
Yeah, very drunk because that was the time that my mother passed away.
So
Yeah, and you know, I'm in pain. I keep on drinking, and I cannot barely sing. I cannot stand properly and singing. That was the worst.
So that time you went on the stage to perform.
I'm in stage and I'm very drunk. I cannot sing.
So you were taken by somebody.
Yes.
That's exclusive.
Yes.
What about in Dubai? How is it in Dubai? How have you found it in Dubai?
Dubai
When
is
you compare it from that time when you were performing at home and that time in Dubai.
different.
How?
Yeah, different because maybe different, you know, what do you call this one? Nationalities.
Many nationalities.
Many. Yeah, you will miss. And Dubai is a, you
you know, Dubai is Dubai.
Mm.
You have to, when you start singing, you have to give your best. No, there's someone watching.
Mm.
And back home is different also
Mm.
because Filipinos, we're Filipinos.
Mm.
I can handle them.
You can handle them.
Yes.
But they are singing also.
Yes.
So then you decided to come to Dubai and start performing in nightclubs.
Yeah.
How is it? Because here there is many nationalities. How have you found the people in Dubai?
Sorry, brother.
How have you found the people in Dubai?
Perform?
Yeah, like the treatment people are giving you in Dubai.
Sorry, brother.
Like the treatment. How do people
The treatment.
treat you? Yeah,
The treatment. Sorry, the treatment. I can say it's maybe it's different here in Dubai. It's different. People are not very entertaining also, but very good. As I can see about you, you're giving me this kind of treatment, and you know, maybe same as in the Philippines. Yeah.
People
Dubai
they
is
are kind of good.
yeah, good. Because I believe in, you know, there's a kindness in every people.
Mm.
You just go talk to them